Greetings, I'm Nora. Welcome to the Divine Space. Let's go ahead and get into our energy. This is right off the dome, y'all. New Year's. What do we got to look forward to this upcoming new year? Somebody said, "Hey, are you gonna put out any one for New Year?" And I just put one out for like what to expect in January 2026. But what's upcoming for the new year? What's happening? I'm gonna use different cards this time from the other ones I used. Let's go ahead and get into New Year. What's happening? What's happening worldly for the new year? That's what we're speaking for. That's what I'm looking for. Worldly information. What do we have to look forward to? New Year. New Year. I'm seeing catastrophe, misfortune. New Year. Okay. Strategic. There's going to be a lot of strategic things that's happening in the world. Things going to be happening, but it was orchestrated to happen that way. It seems like there's an energy of a contract that needs to be fulfilled from the past with the memory here. Some things that's been going on for quite a while. I'm seeing an energy of having to come clean. There's an energy of confession. It seems like there's an energy of things that have been hidden that need to be shown. What's hidden will be revealed. Okay? It seems like there's an energy of cursed energy, okay, due to hate. All right? Malice intentions. All right? I'm seeing a lot of people, a lot of hospital activity going on, y'all. Healthcare, people being going to the hospital, people getting sick and things like that. Karmic events are definitely being played out at this present time. What else is going on? What's happening in the new year? Worldly. What else we need to know? Yeah, it's karma being played. I'm also seeing the energy of evil eye here. It seems like there's energies that does not want the best for us as a whole, and they don't give a hoot about it. I'm seeing a lot of people experiencing a lot of emotional pain. It's talking about in the distant future is what I'm showing here. It's talking about in your house, this country. All right. What else do we need to know? They said that I see expectation. All right. What's going on? New year. What's happening? Anything else we need to know? New year. I'm seeing opposition. There's the energy of arguments, fussing, fighting. Opposition is enemy energy as well. And I'm seeing someone being concerned because they utilize manipulation. They utilize a manipulation tactic. And I feel like there's energy of concern because time is run out or time is running out. Okay. Anything else? Anything else for the new year? I'm seeing a lot of lustful energy as well, so definitely be careful with in regards to Jezebel spirit on the rise. Okay, they're gonna misconstrue love for lust. A high rise of love, but it's actually lust. Okay, is what I'm showing here. Anything else? So y'all got to be careful with these people out here. I'm also seeing someone receiving that. I'm seeing unexpected money. What is this unexpected money for the new year? I'm saying some people get money though. Surprise, yeah. I'm saying people that help shape this earth or try to heal those who have did the work internally, energetically, raising of your frequency. I'm seeing not only is this unexpected money, I'm also seeing some sort of assistance. This is like, as you can see, it's coming from the sky. So it seems like the Most High is assisting those that was assisting themselves. And I'm seeing that there's going to be an energy of animosity towards those that have done the work because you're going to be seen all the people. You're going to be seen. You're going to be rewarded in front of those eyes. This is almost like an energy of using your enemies as a stepping stool. Look, I'm not playing. Anything else is going on? What's happening in this new year? Anything else? I'm seeing an energy of travel. I'm seeing an energy of travel, especially when it comes to a divine masculine. What's going on with this travel and divine masculine this new year? Travel, divine masculine. I'm seeing that they're with this divine masculine energy, getting away from a mature older woman who is envious and jealous of you, that possibly don't want you to move on, and may have been doing voodoo for quite a while on this masculine energy. This woman that is coming out as an ice queen, very closed off, emotionally unavailable. I feel like this mature woman is they see you as a rich guy. They see you as very abundant. They don't want you to leave because if you leave, their abundance leave. It seems like whoever you are, you're possibly very hard working. I see labor and efforts, and I'm seeing you being meeting your divine feminine. It seems like this mature older woman. It could be a mother or older woman. I don't know who this is. It's trying to keep you from being with your mate. This is like an energy of someone mother, like This is weird. I don't know. Got feelings for their child that is not mother-like is what I'm seeing here. But I'm still seeing the energy of change here with the number 9. I'm also seeing a level up to the divine feminine energy, a lot of change here. I'm seeing you being in this earth energy, in this earth angel energy as well, especially when it comes to your occupation. It seems like divine feminine is out here helping a lot of people, cleansing spiritually. You're out here helping spiritually. I'm seeing you doing rituals and things like that. Look, operating out of your North Node, doing exactly what you're supposed to do. And it look like, again, like I said, those of you that have been doing the work spiritually, okay, raising your vibration, raising your frequency and things like that, there's an energy of you stepping into your, like a rising star, or stepping into your power, stepping into your energy. That's what I'm showing here. And then I'm looking over here, I see an energy of high frequency. High frequency. I'm seeing high frequency. I'm seeing an energy of celibacy as well. Somebody has been celibate. Okay. Anything else happening for the new year? And we're gonna wrap this up. Look, I'm saying abundance. Some of you guys will definitely be stepping into abundance, especially if you've been operating out of your North Node. And this abundance, it may not be financially, it could be spiritually, it could be energetically, it could be you receiving your gifts or upgrading your gifts and things like that. I'm seeing that there's an energy of divine feminine meeting some sort of nice guy or receiving some sort of abundance from a nice guy or something, someone of high honor. And it's like a message that come out of nowhere. It's like a surprise. Okay. It's like like I said, a gift. You don't know where it comes from. It's unexpectedly. All right. Spirit just gave us a peek behind the veil to some things that's going to be happening this new year. Y'all have a good one.
Can't keep going back to what I used to know.